is
Agad-agad.
Miss Grand Venezuela.
Agad-agad. Uy, teka lang naman. Kakulay ni Emma yung stage. Kakulay ko rin. Sana mag-manifest. At nagmamadali na sila ngayon. Ibabigay kaya ang back-to-back? Or is it Thailand?
The third runner-up is Miss Grand Ghana.
Oh, wow! Oh my goodness! Oh, wow! Wait lang, kinakabahan ako, punyeta. Alas 7 pa lang ng morning.
Second
Ang
runner-up
bilis!
is Miss Grand Spain.
Oh, putang ina! Tayo na! Oh my God, top 2! Oh my God, is it Thailand? Oh my God, yung roommate. Yung mag-roommate ang natira. Uy, ang bilis. Teka lang naman. Bagalan nyo. Oh my God, orange and white yung background. Orange and white ang background.
Will be Miss
Meant for
Grand
them.
International 2025. Make some noise for your favorite queen, ladies and
Oh
gentlemen.
my God.
Make some noise.
Thailand kaya? History ang mangyayari. Kung Thailand or Philippines, it's gonna be history. Either of the result. Oh my God, is it first back-to-back history and MGI or first crown for Thailand? Again, we are happy for both. But Emma did it so well. Oh my God. Hanip. Oh, bakit ganun yung hawak? Dapat ganun, di ba? So, sana sa Philippines.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new Miss Grand International 2025.
Baka Thailand yan. Nanginginig ako.
Miss
Thailand.
Grand Philippines.
Oh, putang ina, back to back. Putang ina, back to back. Naiiyak ako.
Congratulations, Miss Grand
Putang ina, back to back.
our new queen, Miss Grand International 2025.
Oh my God. Back to back. Shit. Shit. Nilalagnat ako. Putang ina yung mga bakla. Nilalagnat ako. Way back to back.
Congratulations once again. A fantastic performance here.
Oh,
This
wow.
year, taking home the crown is Miss Grand Philippines. That, of course,
Oh,
means
wow.
that our first runner-up is Miss Grand Thailand.
Hindi mo lang sinabi ng host na back to back. Oh my God, Emma. Punyeta. Wait lang. Putang ina, back to back. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Uy, wala bang nagsabing back to back na parang hindi in-announce na history or... Oh my God, Emma. Oh my God, naiiyak ako. Promise. Oh, wow. Back to back. Ibinigay ng Miss Grand yung tamang pag-corona. It's not first runner-up anymore. Emma, grabe ka talaga, Emma.
Ladies
Oh
and
my
gentlemen,
God.
this is the new Miss Grand International 2025. Please take your first walk.
Oh, wow. Grabe to. Grabe to. Inano ko kasi baka makapiright. Pero, uy, grabe ha. Ito yung solid na performance. Tingnan mo, nag-match din yung stage kay Emma. Grabe, superb. Oh my God, worth it. Kasi nagsimula dito sa USA 5 a.m. dito sa California. Susulit yung gising. Anong oras na ako natulog? Mag-alas 2. Oh my God, Emma. Grabe ka, Emma. Nilaban mo hanggang huli. Okay na ako kay Thailand eh. Okay na ako kay Thailand. Pero grabe naman din yung consistency ni Emma, no? So, ayan. Back to back. Ang tagal nating naghintay ng Miss Grand Crown. Nakuha natin yung crown. Pass over pa. I mean, 'di ba? First runner-up tapos naging crown, tapos ibinigay back to back. Emma, tumapat ka dyan sa may pakpak. Yan. Grabe oh. Ganda ng view oh. Grabe. Ay my God, panalo. Sama-samang magse-celebrate. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Kayo na bahala. Thank you very much for watching.